Welcome, this is the Honda Fit Dude, and in this video I'm going to show how to install an engine air filter into a Honda Fit. This works for 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019 year models. So first thing you're going to do is open the engine bay by pulling the engine hood latch. It is located right below the gas pump latch near the driver's seat. Next you're going to locate the actual latch on your hood, which is above the Honda logo. Pull it to the left and prop the hood up using the prop rod. Next step is to unclasp the latches that hold on the engine filter cover. Once you have those pulled out, you want to pull the metal pieces that hold it on and then pull the engine filter up and then backwards and then out. This will expose the engine filter itself and you'll just pull that right out. As you can see, this one is very filthy. They recommend doing it at 15,000 to 30,000 miles. This is not a paid advertisement, but I'm using a K&N aftermarket filter for the benefit that it is washable instead of just having to throw it away, as well as it getting a little bit better acceleration and gas mileage. You can also use an OEM replacement that can also be found online for a little bit less. I'll provide links to both of those that I have found that will work with Honda Fit 2015 through 2019 models in the video description below. You want to reinstall the engine air filter cover, make sure that it's properly seated, and then place the metal clasps on top and push the little tabs in. This will hold everything on, make sure everything's firm and not going to pop off. Once you have done this, you are done. You can go ahead and close the engine hood and you're ready to go. This is the K&N filter that I decided to go with. It is about double the cost of an OEM filter. However, it is washable and reusable, so it actually will last a lot longer. And so far I've been using it and I've noticed an increase in about 2 to 3 miles per gallon, as well as some increased acceleration. So overall, I believe it's a good way to go. If you'd like, once again, check the links in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and if you do enjoy, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Until next time, peace.